Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating demand and locking a minimum viable product. Start with 3,100 quick surveys and a simple landing page to capture interest and emails. This proves demand without heavy cost. At the same time, choose your core formula and unique selling point so manufacturing specs are clear. Make sure to determine regulatory classification and any ingredient limits early. This prevents rework. Once done, set an initial budget and timeline so you can move to formulation and sourcing immediately. Now focus on formulation and production logistics. You'll iterate 2-3 prototype rounds with a chemist or contract manufacturer and run stability and preservative efficacy tests. These take time but prevent failures. Coordinate label copy, ingredient lists, and permitted claims so packaging is compliant before batches start. Also plan production capacity and lead times. 8-12 weeks is common, so your marketing launch aligns. Once prototypes pass tests, approve a pilot run and secure warehousing and fulfillment partners to scale reliably. You complete the process by launching in phases and watching real-world performance. Start with a soft launch to roughly 1,000 targeted users, gather feedback and metrics like conversion rate and returns, then roll out fully once satisfied. Make sure customer service is ready to handle complaints and tracking so you can iterate quickly. If problems appear, odd skin reactions, high returns, pause shipments immediately, review batch records and stability data, and communicate remediation steps transparently to protect customers and your brand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.